may nakakita ko si Pacto eh. Oh, it's
Oh,
Pacto.
this is the Pacto shop.
Pacto shop eh. Ay, Pacto. Oh, tama. That's Luis when he was 7 years old. Talagang astig si Luis eh, no? Oh. Future ni Luis. Pacto! 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 Typical oh. Aray ko. Asan temple? Andiyan pala yung mga crouching tiger eh.
What's that?
Weird. Look at this. This must be old. Parang panahon pa ni...
Rizal?
Sabihin ko sana ni Manong JD. Joke. Joke, Manong.
Joke lang po. But it hurts.
Oo nga, kailangan talagang... No?
It's a nice place.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
All for you sa ganyan. Oh my God, they have this.
Eh, taga Beijing lang pala siya. Lapit na.
Bakit nga?
Ito kay Pacto. Kay Pacto itong business to. Kay business. Porky.
Okay.
Porky. Glass and frame. Burger po.
Something going
man. Hey, that reminds me, Dian. Oo, si Dian. Nakabwisit nga pala, ano. I just wanna say, dito sa Hong Kong, isang linggo ka lang, hopya. Hindi, siopao, siopao. Sabi mo kasi, sorry po. Na-BG yata, I'm sorry.
Where's the Indian?